Hello, I'm in a 2008 Honda Civic, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, you should see this hood release lever that will pull, and that should release this front. If this is not working properly, you might need to check behind this plastic, make sure all the cables are attached properly. But up front, we should see the hood slightly loose now. And up here, there's a lever. So I'm going to kind of pinch and lift. So pinch and lift. And then put this arm up to help hold the hood up. So see this arm now? And then this is that lever I was pinching. So that's what that looks like. Make sure nothing's bent or broken. No debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If this is really sticking a lot, might also try some WD-40 to loosen it. And up top, here's what it looked like, what it was hooked onto. And also double check your hoods in proper alignment, because if this is crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.